How to hide your online on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your online status on Telegram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to hide our online status on Telegram, it's actually very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and just launch the Telegram application. So by default, other people will be able to view your online if you're online currently, and you'll also be able to view if they're online if they've not hit it. So if you want to hide this feature, and which means in other words to hide your online status, all you have to do is tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side and then go to the option called settings. And once you go to settings, go to the option called privacy and security. And once you come to privacy and security over here, you'll be able to see last seen and online, right? All you have to do is just tap on the last seen and online button here, and then you can see who can see my last seen or online time. You just have to set this to nobody. So basically when you set it to nobody, the last seen and online status will be set to nobody and no one else will be able to view it. And then just tap on the check button here in order to save the changes. And that's basically how you can hide your online status on Telegram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.